In this video, I'm gonna cover how to create a lean-to roof type of design. So I've created the outline of the building. If you open up the roof tools and press on auto generate roof, so by default it creates a hip roof. So to convert it to a lean-to, I'm gonna select the end roof sides. We're going to convert it to a gable first. You'll see as we convert, and we're going to also convert this last roof side to a gable. So you'll see how it starts forming. So we've converted all roof sides except this one to a gable. So it just tells the program that only one roof side is sloping up, and that's gonna do that. And then if you wanted to edit this roof side to, let's say, a 412, you can also open up, if you're not working with pitch, you can select the degrees mode. And you'll see how that all updates. So as you edit the roof angle, these walls are set to auto set based off of the roof. And same with this wall. Oops, let me select it. It's gonna stay at a height where the height above plate is the same as this side. Because on this roof setting, you'll see we have a height above plate of 4 inches. So that's gonna keep the same on both sides.